Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Super Tinker Swiss Army knife. And the Super Tinker is the slightly bigger brother to the Tinker Swiss Army knife. Now, the main difference between the Tinker and the Super Tinker is the Super Tinker picks up two new tools. It picks up a pair of scissors, and these are the normal 91mm knife version of the scissors. And you pick up their carrying hook. I think they call it like a multi-purpose hook, but you can like carry stuff with it and hook things with it. I've actually tried it as a carrying hook, and it works pretty good. So, in addition to these two extra tools you pick up over the normal Tinker, the Tinker also has the assortment of things that the Tinker had. It has the large Phillips head screwdriver. It has the oh so dangerous, if I can get it out. Wow, it doesn't want to come out. The oh so dangerous reamer awl kind of thing with that sharp blade. And then you have the traditional can opener with the small regular screwdriver. You have a bottle opener with the large regular screwdriver and the wire stripper. And then you have the small and the large knife blades. The small knife blade and the large knife blade. And as with all Swiss Army knives, this comes out of the box super sharp. Now, the stats should pop up right about there. Right there, hopefully. So, anyway, you get everything with the Tinker, plus you also pick up the scissors and the multi-purpose carrying hook. And the Super Tinker is a little more expensive than the Tinker. The Tinker runs about $20. The Super Tinker runs in the $30 to $35 range. And I'll include a link in the description if you want to check them out. And so, but I mean, again, this isn't, and this one only weighs about 3 ounces. The regular Tinker weighs like 2.2 ounces. So this still isn't a super heavy pocket knife. It's still very much a pocketable pocket knife. So it's not a bad option if you're looking for a Swiss Army knife, like a pocket knife, or maybe a first knife for someone. You're getting a little bit into the larger size, but it's not bad. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Do any of y'all have a Tinker or a Super Tinker and really like them? Do you wish the Tinker or Super Tinker had something different? Let me know. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.